So here's how to fix Microsoft Word documents not opening in Windows 10 or Windows 11. So let's get started. First of all, what you're gonna do is simply go to the Start menu on the bottom side and right click on your mouse. Now you will see the settings option right over here. So tap on the settings and this will bring up a dialog box like this. Now from here you need to go to the apps option. And then from here select the installed apps. Alright, on the above side you need to search for the Microsoft Office. So let's just type into that Microsoft Office. Alright, as you can see we got a Microsoft Office 2021. So you can get different types of Microsoft Office version. It doesn't matter, it will work for you all. Alright, now from here on the right side you will see three dots. So tap on the three dots and then from here you need to select the modify option. And from here you will see two options like quick repair and online repair. So you need to select the first option, which is quick repair, and then simply tap on the repair option and then again tap on the repair. And so now as you can see we got done repairing, and most probably your problem which is not opening Microsoft document is now fixed. So I hope this video helps you out. If yes, please leave a like and comment down below if this works for you or not, and have a very good day.